Okay, let's get this case apart. That one's either loose or I already did it, I'm not sure which. Nice plug fit. That one's already loose too. Alright, these ones are a little better. Okay, those are all out. One bolt left up on the top there. Probably should take that out just for the hell of it. There it is. Sorry, sewing machine looks good. Comes out tight. Almost all the rollers fell out. There are 4 of them did. Yeah. Don't use our rollers. Washer can stay there, it's fine. There you. Okay, this one I got a machine. That can stay right there. I'm gonna lock it up one more time before we're done with it. Okay, so now we need this. And this, I'm gonna do some cutting. Do a little whacking on this case. So that requires a little cutting over here. Oh yeah, I already had to set up an lathe I didn't want to take out, or the lathe, the milling machine. I didn't really want to take the setup out of the mill. I got more work to do with that setup. Put the vise right in the center, so if we get up real close, we should have a problem. I'm going to need a nut. Alright. size we need. That one. That one will work. That one there will work there also. So much room in here. Okay. There should be enough torque to do what I'm going to do. Okay, so we got this in here like that, strapped across, good and tight. So I got to put a little counterbore right there, or a big ass chamfer, however we want to do it. So anyway, I got to cut it for more cam clearance. So we're basically just going to indicate off of that hole right there as best we can. And come in there with a cutter and cut it. First thing I do is get the welding machine down a lot lower than it was, because it's way up in the air. And we got plenty of room to set it up after that. Just enough room. Should be close. Problem right there though. Okay, we need more. Stand that sucker up more. Okay. Okay, we're going to hit the case right here. It's going to make it hard to indicate. We're going to go boom, boom right against the case right there. So, I'm going to have to stand it up even further. And we still might not have enough room to do it. Might have to go to a different indicator. Okay, stand that sucker up just like that. It won't be close. Boom, it's going to hit. Clunk. Yeah. Alright, this indicator is not going to work. Let's get a different one. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, we're back. That's what I bought this fancy indicator for right here. So, we're doing jobs like this. You'll probably never remember how to use it. Basically, you gotta hold this in the middle. That's the first thing you gotta do. So we just have a mill holder right here. Alright, that part's done. Now I gotta put one of these fingers in there and go down there and hit on something. Take one of these fingers like this. I don't know which one I need. This looks like an outside one to me. I need an inside one. Don't know, don't remember. I'll figure it out. Can't be that damn complicated. It goes like that. That's how it works. All right. I just use like a regular indicator, not like you're supposed to. Doesn't matter. Anyway, I just rotate around until I get the number I want. Yeah, about there. Just touches. It's not that fancy of a tool. Okay, now you're supposed to turn the machine on and rotate it. I want to be in the middle of the bushing, because that's where the wear, least amount of wear is going to be. So now you turn the milling machine on, this thing's going to go back and forth, and you move the table back and forth until it wiggles the least. When it gets like that, you're good. When it goes like this, you're getting worse. And that's how it works. I don't like it that much, but that's how it works. I'd rather have a long finger dial indicator. Yeah, whatever. You're supposed to hold on to it with this, I think. Somehow. Well, this is supposed to hit something like right here, not rotate. That's what it's supposed to be. Yeah, it'll be my hand. Okay. I'm going to put it at low speed. I don't want to spin it too hard. Oh, I need some juice. Turn the juice on. Juice on. Boy, look at that. I'm moving a long ways to get really real thin. Not very out there, not deep. I can get worse that way. Worse that way. About there. A lot closer this direction. I can't get that close. I moved out about 2,000 and centered it up, it is. Pretty fancy dish. It works. Better to poke in the eye, but not by much. Maybe I learn how to use it. Might help. Alright, so take all the parts out. Overall, it does do a job. It gets me close enough. Just doesn't have to be perfect, so I don't care. There we go. don't move anything, we're good. Alright, so now I gotta put a boring bar in there. It's the boring. Use our smaller one here. Big cutter to go down there and cut with. Cutters are all the way over there, I can't get to them. I see a problem here. Yeah. Cutter there's the one I want. Missing the tools I'm looking for. Got lost in the move. This doesn't fit in here very well. Put inside that cylinder looks better. Alright, let's see if my tool's over here somewhere. Boring bars. No boring bars. A big fat radius boring bar. Nope. There we go. What do we got over here to use? No. Nipper. Not what I'm looking for. Damn. I remember I had some over here somewhere. Those are not the ones I want. Yeah, there's a whole set missing. Well, maybe they're on the shelf up there somewhere. It makes a lot of noise back there, doesn't it? Phase converters. They make noise. There. Precision cue stick. I knew there was a use for it. I didn't throw that away for a long time. I knew someday I'd need it for something. And that was it. Let's see. It winds down for a long time, doesn't it? 25 horse motor, that's why. 100-pound armature in there spinning. Yeah. See it back there, don't see it there, don't see it anywhere. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna do some hunting.